Hi everybody, I'm Dave, and we did things a little differently on this project because sometimes things has to be done differently. So, now with this mount, this is not the preferred way to do things. It's very difficult. It can be done. Sometimes it has to be done because of a lack of room above the header. But don't do it unless you have to. So in mounting this on the door, this door is an old school heavy wood door. I wouldn't do this on a fiberglass door. With a steel door, aluminum door, you would probably have to put a plate on the other side and run your screws completely through. Now, speaking of a plate, this is not exactly helpful because we have our edge here to hang the door opener on. Now, with this orientation, it's going to be upside down, so it could be used, but I don't know. When we did this one, I located my left-hand edge and I'm close to the hinge. I want about a ½ inch off, and you know, it probably could have went over a little more. Now this door is being pulled open. We use the pull arm, and it works, you know. But when it comes into wiring components, you know, all your wires are going to be coming off this edge and up to the component. So I don't know, contractors, there's some good guys out there that can really make stuff look nice. I'm not one of those guys. I can wire it up, but I can't make it look pretty. So I wish our track was a little longer. We had to put the stop in the track on this side, otherwise the guide block will just go off the end. What else can I say about this? Not too much. We're going to make a separate video for the push arm door mount, and yeah, if you gotta do it, you gotta do it this way. If you don't have to do it this way, don't do it this way. So yes, it can be done. And with that, thanks guys, have a good weekend, bye.